Hey everyone, welcome back. Did someone send you money on Cash App but it's not showing up? Before asking them to resend it, check these things first. Most of them are fixable without even touching the app. First, know that most Cash App payments take 1 to 3 business days to fully process. If it was sent today, it may be still on its way. Second, make sure your notifications for Cash App are turned on so you actually get alerted when the money arrives. Go to your settings and then search for Cash App. Here, go ahead and tap notifications and make sure allow notifications is switched on. If you've been missing notifications, you could have received money without knowing. Third, ask the sender to double check with Cashtag, phone number or email they sent it to. One wrong character sends the money to a completely different account. Have them screenshot the confirmation screen and check the recipient name shown. Fourthly, check that your internet connection is stable. Go to your settings app, then go to Wi-Fi, and then toggle the Wi-Fi off and on or switch to mobile data and wait 30 seconds for Cash App to sync. So all you gotta do is wait for processing time, turn on Cash App notifications, confirm the sender used the right details, and refresh your connection.